2023 new model Range Rover Sport. But again, it's about one, the price, it's priced competitively. Two, Santorini Black, it's got the ebony and cloud interior, which customers are asking us for on a daily basis. It's a dynamic SE, it's got 22-inch wheels as well, it's got a sliding sunroof, so it's got everything you would want. It's priced to sell. What I like about it, it hasn't got the black exterior pack, so it's broken up with the copper along the front section of the, because you get that with a dynamic. So on a dynamic, you get the front splitters, you get the different inserts, you get that dynamic styling, but it's been done in that different colour. 22-inch wheels, two-tone. So have a look at these wheels in close. You've got polished on the outside, you've got the inside spokes finished in graphite. You've then got that copper colouring on the inserts on the wings and on the bonnet. Privacy glass on the back. It looks lovely, and I'll show you that beautiful cloud interior. You've got mud flaps as well. Rear diffuser at the back, with it having a dynamic, you've got that dynamic section. It's all finished in gloss black. It looks lovely. The car's done about 1,000 miles. You've got just under 3 years Land Rover warranty and 3 years Land Rover Assist. I'll start in the back. So you've got them new deployable door handles, which is all part of the new Sport. I'll just quickly show you as well. Look at them lights. Now I've turned it on. I think the back of these new LED lights, the job they've done, watch if I turn it off, lock the car, they are really, really nice. So, if I show you in the back, look at this interior. So, a couple of extras before that, on the door card, that's the cloud colour. We've got Meridian speaker, we've got rear electric adjustable seats, rear heated seats as well. Beautiful interior, so you've got cloud, then you've got the centre seat in ebony, and then you've got cloud the other side. It is lovely. It breaks the car up. It's got a cloud lighter roof lining as well, which I'll just show you as we get inside the front. And then again, beautiful in the front. Memory seats. Again, you've got that cloud, you've got your Meridian. The seats in the new Sport are 20-way adjustable heated seats. So they're very, very comfortable. They're bigger. They've got a lot more different lumbar options, and they are very, very comfortable. Because of this cloud roof actually as well, it makes the car very, very light inside, which is nice. I'll just open the blind. So this is the cloud roof lining. You've got an internal blind, then you've got your glass roof. Press the button, tilt and slide. So that's been paid for as an option, sliding panoramic sunroof. Let me just show you other features. So you've got your digital cockpit in front of you, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, and the ebony and cloud two-tone steering wheel as well, which is lovely. Look at the stitching and the detail there, very, very nice. 13.1-inch Privy Pro screen, which is as good as you can get. The largest screen makes everything very, very easy to use, and it's a big centre section of the new cockpit and the new Sport, and it looks even great from the back. When you sat in the back, you just see that centre section, that big screen. It looks really well. Full surround 3D camera system, which is fantastic. Back into the main menu, you've got wireless Apple CarPlay. You can drop your phone underneath there as well. You've got wireless charging. The seats, as I mentioned, they're heated in the front and they're heated in the rear. But if I just go into the adjustments, they're all the different features. This one, so if you press that, this bottom bit slides out, makes the seat very, very comfortable. Back into the main menu, you've then got your Bluetooth, your multimedia, your digital climate control. You can adjust that from here, and then you can do it from here as well. Cup holders and everything there, more storage in the centre. Seating position of the new Sport, you sat that little bit more lower, and they've raised the centre section up so it feels a lot more sporty. And actually in the back there's more leg room as well. I'll just pop the boot and show you the boot size. So you've got the electric tailgate that can work with the key off the button inside. Lots of space. If you want to drop all them seats down, 2 buttons there. So there we have it, another 23 new model Range Rover Sport Santorini Black, all about the ebony and cloud interior, the 22s and the sliding sunroof. It's going live on our website. Thank you for watching.